Hello everyone, this video is on Jholmal preparations and their uses. This video will present on what is a Jholmal or the definition of Jholmal, ingredients, benefits, how it works, ingredients, preparation, maturation and using Jholmal 1, 2 and 3, pictures of chili and tomato plants treated with Jholmals, and some insect pests found in chili and tomato plots. What is a Jholmal? International Center for Integrated Mountain Development in Nepal has defined Jholmal as a homemade biofertilizer and biopesticide that helps improve crop yields while lowering costs for farmers and reducing the use of harmful chemicals. It is prepared by mixing and fermenting locally available materials in a defined ratio. The general ingredients required for Jholmal preparations are animal urine, Jivatu or effective microorganisms, farmyard manure, and locally available green plant materials. Depending on the types of ingredients used, Jholmal can be categorized into Jholmal 1, 2, and 3. Benefits of using Jholmals. It controls insect pests, provides crop protection against fungal and vector-borne diseases, and supports improved plant health. How it works. Animal urine can be used both as a fertilizer and as a pesticide. This is because it contains nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphates, and potassium, which are required by the plants in huge quantities. Animal urine also has antibacterial, antioxidant, anthelmintic, antibiotic, and antifungal properties. Farmyard manure contains macro and micronutrients required by the plants. Moreover, these nutrients are more readily available to the plants in the form of liquid manure than in solid forms. The locally available green plant materials with different odors and tastes have properties that can repel or kill various insect pests or pathogens. Jivatu or effective microorganisms is a mixture of beneficial microbes found in nature which play a part in plant nutrition and protection. The key ingredients found in Jivatu or effective microorganisms are lactic acid bacteria, Azotobacter, and Trichoderma species, phosphate solubilizing bacteria, PSB, potassium solubilizing bacteria, KSB, photosynthetic bacteria, and yeast. They also act as catalytic agents that accelerate the decomposition process. Let's look at the ingredients of Jholmal 1. The quantities of the ingredients provided in this video is based on the recommendation by the ICMOD. However, you can either increase or decrease the quantity depending on the convenience, but keeping the ratio same or similar to what is being recommended here. 17 kg well-decomposed farmyard manure, plus 16 liters of cattle urine, plus 16 liters of water, and 1 liter of effective microorganisms or Jivatu. Jholmal 1 preparation. Dig about 10 to 15 cm hole and place the plastic drum in it firmly. This provides some shade for the microorganisms to move within the container. Then add all the ingredients in measured ratios. Stir the ingredients well and then cover the drum airtight. Jholmal 1 maturation. The wait period for the utilization of Jholmal 1 from the time of its preparation or from the date of its preparation is approximately a month depending on the climatic conditions. When Jholmal 1 is ready, the smell of compost disappears and a green color appears at the top of the liquid. It is slurry. No filtering is required while using Jholmal 1. Using of Jholmal 1. Dilute 1 liter of Jholmal 1 slurry in 3 liters of water. Pour the diluted slurry directly on the soil at the bottom of the plants near the root zone. It has biofertilizer and biopesticide effects for soil-borne insect pests. It contains large quantities of the main macronutrients required by the plants, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Jholmal 2 ingredients: 24.5 liters of cattle urine, 1 liter of effective microorganisms, and 24.5 liters of water. Jholmal 2 preparation. Apart from the ingredients used, the preparation of Jholmals for all the three types remains same. Therefore, under Jholmal 2 preparation as well. Dig about 10 to 15 centimeter hole and place the plastic drum in it firmly. Add all the ingredients in measured ratios. Stir the ingredients well and cover the drum airtight. Jholmal 2 maturation. As for the wait period, 15 days will probably be enough depending on the climatic conditions. Colder places will need more time than the warmer places. Moreover, Jholmal 2 does not have solid ingredients to decompose. Therefore, the wait period will be lesser than the Jholmal 1 and Jholmal 2. Using Jholmal 2. Dilute 1 liter of Jholmal 2 solution in 3 liters of water. Spray the diluted solution on the plant, covering the leaves and stems. It has biopesticide effect. It is effective at repelling, preventing and controlling many insect pests and diseases of cereal and vegetable crops. Jholmal 3. Many variations of Jholmal 3 can be made depending on the green ingredients used. In this video, I will be showing 3 slightly different solutions. If you are interested and do not have these plants at your disposal, you could still play around with other plants and their ratios. Jholmal 3 ingredients: animal urine, effective microorganisms, water, and green plant materials. Jholmal 3 preparation. Chop the leaves and stems of locally available plants with bitter, sour, or pungent taste and fill in the drum. Chopping of the plants will accelerate their decomposition. That is, smaller the chopped plant size, the shorter will be the wait period and vice versa. Generally, it takes around 21 to 30 days at 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Then fill up the drum with equal amounts of cattle or animal urine and water and 1 liter of effective microorganisms. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and cover the drum airtight. Intermittently stir the ingredients to mix and accelerate the decomposition process. The same principle applies to Jholmal 1 and 2 as well. Jholmal 3, Type A. The green plant materials used were Artemisia and marijuana at 40 kg each, 1 liter of secondary effective microorganisms, and 84 liters of cattle urine and water each. Jholmal 3 Variation B. Artemisia vulgaris at 13.37 kg, Centoxylum at 4.67 kg, and marijuana at 9.4 kg, with 17.75 liters of cattle urine and water each. Jholmal 3 Variation C. 1 kg of chili, garlic, ginger, onion, and leaves of Sichuan pepper were used. Chop and mix them all in a drum along with cattle or animal urine, effective microorganism, and water. Stir the ingredients well. Cover the drum airtight. Filter the solutions and use by diluting them. Using Jholmal 3. Dilute 1 liter of Jholmal 3 solution in 3 to 6 liters of water depending on the stage of the plants. For example, to use on young seedlings, dilute or mix 1 liter of Jholmal 3 solution with 6 liters of water, and as the plants become matured or in the later stages of the plants, use 1 liter of Jholmal 3 solution and 3 liters of water. This is done so that the younger seedlings do not get damaged with higher concentration of Jholmal 3 solution. While applying, spray the diluted solution on the plant, covering the leaves and stems well. It has biopesticide effects. Therefore, it works as an insecticide and repellent. These are few of the pictures of tomato plants treated with Jholmal 2 and 3. These are the pictures of chili plants treated with Jholmal 1 and 2. Although both the Jholmals were effective in promoting vegetative growth of the plants, Jholmal 3 was slightly better. But of course that was simply through visual observations on a weekly basis. More analysis will be required to actually learn about their differences or similarities and their effectiveness. Also note that these treatments will not provide 100% crop protection at all times. It would be better to use them as a preventive measure rather than a curative one. Some insect pests were present in the crops, however, it could have been a lot worse if the Jholmals were not applied on a regular basis. Lastly, I would recommend the Jholmal application in both organic and other farming systems.